Figured I'd show you the mechanical before we go to the interior. Beautiful 3.6 liter motor. Super powerful. Aluminum heads now. A lot lighter. Very torquey. Great motor. Interior. All the fabric looks pretty markless. Pristine. Grab handles on both front sides. You can look at the pictures to see more detail. But there's a couple surface scratches on this door. Let's see if you get the right angle. There. To the back. And the upholstery's pretty pristine. Jeep slush mats, all very nice. LED light upgrade, pretty easy to take off tire carrier. Swings nicely, great rotopacks for gas. Flip the handle, bam, got your rotopack off. Put it back on and you're good to go. Jeep slush mats in the back too, all very pretty. Great rock bumper in the rear, XRC trailer hitch with shackles. LED lights really set this Jeep off. Let's go drive it.